A short time ago, the United States military began major combat operations in Iran.
Israel and the United States of America initiated a war against Iran on the 28th of February 2026. Iran responded by attacking Israel and American military bases in neighboring countries such as Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, United Arab Emirates, Bahrain, and Iraq. Iran also closed the Strait of Hormuz, where 20% of the world's oil trade passes. This deprives America of its greatest economic asset, the petrodollar. The petrodollar is the pricing and selling of oil in US dollars. It originates from a 1974 deal between America and Saudi Arabia's monarchy, where America said it would defend the Saudi monarchy from violent attacks such as attempts to dethrone them and wars as long as Saudi Arabia's oil was sold in the US dollar exclusively. The petrodollar agreements, called the Joint Commission on Economic Cooperation to sell and price oil in US dollars exclusively, was adopted by OPEC in 1975. OPEC stands for Organization of the Petroleum Exporting Countries. When they adopted the petrodollar in 1975, there were 13 OPEC countries, including Iran, Iraq, Venezuela, Libya, Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, Qatar, Indonesia, United Arab Emirates, Algeria, Nigeria, Ecuador, and Gabon. America prints US dollars. With the petrodollar system, in order for countries to buy oil, they need dollars. They get dollars by selling products to America or currency exchange. This makes America rich because they simply print the dollar, which other countries need to buy oil. The countries that get dollars for selling their oil often use that money to invest in the American stock market or buy American bonds, which is a loan to the American government to reduce the amount of money America has to print. Printing money causes the money to lose value. Since the Strait of Hormuz is closed and less oil is being sold in dollars, America is not getting as much money for bonds from the Gulf countries, nor is the American stock market getting much of that petrodollar money. The Gulf countries invested in the American stock market with some of the petrodollar money. Since the 13th of March 2026, reports have been made that Iran will allow oil tankers to pass the strait if they trade in the Chinese yuan. A Pakistani oil tanker passed the strait on the 15th of March after having traded using the yuan. If countries start trading oil outside of the American dollar, that will be a big hit to the American economy. It will weaken the dollar and make it harder for Americans to get resources because the prices will rise. There will be less demand for the US dollar.